Hi guys, welcome back to Manifest with Armine. My name is Armine and I'm a law of attraction consultant. So topic for right now is mastering the law of attraction. What does that mean to you? And why do you want to master it? Is your goal to master the law of attraction, or is it to guide your thoughts and your emotions in a way that is most beneficial to you and those around you, and overall is the life that you prefer to experience? Because in order to do that, you don't need to master the law of attraction. In fact, you don't need to know so much at all. There really is not anything that says that the more you know about the law of attraction, the better you can improve your life, or the more transformation you experience. It's, if anything, it could be the opposite. And some of you know this already, because it just seems like the more information you have, the less you do with it. And you don't want to get caught up in that, because it's great to be educated. It's great to have knowledge. It's great to have conversations about philosophy with other people. But is that what you're trying to do? Is that your main intent? Or is it to actually transform parts of your life by understanding the law of attraction? And to do that, you actually need to know very little. And it's just about applying it. And some of you are watching YouTube videos over and over, like I have done, of course, and it just becomes, like I've said before, like, okay, I know you do this, I've done this, that you just say, okay, I'm just gonna watch one more video because this is so, this is so intriguing, I really feel it right now, so I'm just gonna watch one more video, and I'm just gonna add to that momentum. But adding momentum to the excitement about the topic of the law of attraction is not the same as adding momentum to the vibration of what you want and getting on the frequency of what you want in an actual subject in your life, in a circumstance in your life. So that's what I want you to really think about, because you don't need to become a master of law of attraction in order to make the most of any knowledge of it. In fact, don't get caught up in becoming a master, because if anyone tells you they're a master, then they're not really going by reality and what we're meant to live in this life, because we're meant to have a very dynamic experience. You experience contrast, and you apply things little by little, and before you know it, your mind is trained in a way where you are experiencing more of what you prefer than what you don't prefer. And to become a master of the knowledge of the law of attraction, or even to say that you're a master of applying it, those are such subjective things that there's nobody who can say, I'm a master of the law of attraction. And try not to go in that direction. Thinking more in terms of, what one thing can I apply right now that seems so overly simplified, but can apply it and we'll see immediate results. And that's where the money is, I guess you could say. Like, that's the jackpot. That's what you want. Because that's all that matters, right? What is the point of all this knowledge if one day you're going to apply it? Once you become a master, once you feel like you're a master, or once somebody sees you as a master, then you're going to apply it? It doesn't make any sense. All right, so thank you. Please think about that if you'd like to. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, and if you'd like to subscribe, please do so, okay? Thank you, guys. Bye.